So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And then once you run this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. We need to go into our BIOS, which will then take us to here. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings. And then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS. And now once we're in our BIOS, you want to enable SVM mode. I'm using a Gigabyte B450M DS3H, so it might look different to you if you're using a different motherboard. On my motherboard, I need to click on F2 to make the screen look like this. Now on your motherboard, you want to find SVM mode and you want to enable it. So in my one, I need to go to the MIT tab, then I'm going to select Advanced Frequency Settings, and I'm going to select Advanced CPU Settings. Here's SVM mode. I already have it enabled, but you want to double click on it, SVM mode, and you want to enable it. Again, if you have a different motherboard to me, then the steps might look a bit different, but just find SVM mode and then enable it. Then you want to save and exit setup, click on yes, go back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.